Hi, it's Angela Critters. Well, I'm looking forward to showing you a coconut cream poke cake. If you've never had poke cakes, they are a really good cake that you poke holes in, as you can see me doing now. You can use a homemade cake or a cake mix, whichever you prefer. You bake your cake according to your directions or your recipe. Now, this being a white cake, I took out my yolk and I only beat egg whites into the white cake mix because I wanted it to be nice and pretty. You don't use egg yolks in a white cake. And for some reason, the box didn't say that anymore. So we're going to poke all these holes in. And I have heated up a can of Goya cream of coconut. And it's cream of coconut, not coconut milk. So I'm going to keep poking some holes. I heated up my Goya for about 25 to 30 seconds in my microwave. And now I'm whisking up. Now, if you don't have a microwave, just pour it into a coffee cup and put it in a little bowl of hot water. Or put it on top of the stove in some hot water. And then I'm going to pour this warm cream of coconut all over the cake. And I'm going to let this sit and soak up for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure and spray your pan. And I toasted my coconut with a broiler. I have a complete playlist called Cakes Made from Cake Mix. Actually, it says Desserts Made from Cake Mix. And I love baking with cake mixes. I just love that. I think it's just the greatest thing that ever happened. Check it out. All right, it's been 15 minutes. So now we're going to put on 8 ounces of Cool Whip. And there's a little tiny bit of liquid you can still see around the edges, but it's going to all soak in. Don't worry about it. And my Cool Whip is not quite thawed enough. So I'm going to have to, well, so this is the easiest cake. You saw how easy it was. You make your own white cake. After it comes out and you let it completely cool, you're going to poke the holes in it. You can use a fork, the back of a straw, a wooden spoon, just whatever you want. I poured my lightly heated up cream of coconut over it that I had whisked. I let it sit 15 minutes, and now we're putting on the coconut. Excuse me. Now we're putting on the Cool Whip. The first poke cake I ever made back in the early 70s had pureed fruit over it. And boy, is that a good one. I've got that one in my playlist. Okay, so I've just about got this completely spread out. You do keep this cake in the refrigerator because of the fact that it is Cool Whip. And this one was a special request from a friend who loves this cake. I don't tell him how easy it is. So let's throw on the coconut. And this is 2 cups that I toasted. And I do keep this tightly covered before I put it in the refrigerator. Well, actually, this one has a to-go top. So I hope you love this if you give it a try. If you do, let me know in the descriptions if you've ever made it before or if you're a fan of poke cakes. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, click that notification button so you won't miss my videos. I try to put up 2 a week, 2 cooking videos per week, with some shorts thrown in during the week. And of course, the description will have the ingredients and exactly how to make this easy cake. I sure appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.